Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome back. In today's video we'll start learning about Spinbox. Now, of course, as always, we need to import Tkinter. So import Tkinter as tk from Tkinter import ttk because Spinbox supported by the theme Tkinter. Now, let's create our Spinbox. So Spinbox equals to ttk.spinbox. We need to add that to the window. So let's create a window. Window equals to tk.tk. And now we can add the Spinbox to the window. Here we go. And the other two parameters it take is from, which equals to 0. Then the other one is 2, which is, it can be any value. Let's 10, use 10, why not? We need now to add it to the window. Spinbox.grid row 0 column 0. And finally, of course, we need window.main loop. Now let's run it. We get an error. So from expected expression, let's run. All right. So upper limit working fine and lower limit. But what if I want this to be from 5? This is not logical at all. So from, oh yeah, I'm sorry, you need the underscore. So maybe I can set it to 5, run this, and now it's working. Now let's see, 5, 6, etc. Values, and this will be a list. So maybe it can be 12, 45, 78, and 90. Let's run that. You can see 12, 45, 78, and so on. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.